we're always filming high, and I always need a drone. And look at this drone. It's remote control in the system. Everything he's doing up there, I'm able to see it. This one right here, it has an expandable cable, so it's tether in, but it also gives you an option to plug in another USB type A to recharge this from here. All right, it's going to give you percentage wise on the top how much battery we have. Right now we're at 62, but look at this, is a fast charging system. And I carry this one because I like to expand this and charge my devices. I always charge batteries with me anywhere I go. If you guys can see, I'm just going to charge it and automatically starts charging, boosting the actual batteries. And right now we do need battery on one of the actual systems, so we're charging from a battery to a battery. Now, like I said, it is crucial to have it to different devices automatically start charging. So I always carry this with me on any kind of photo shoot or video shoot that I'm doing. Very crucial. I want you to see, guys, not just for charging your phones or anything else, but look at what I use it for. I actually use it everywhere I go, because it fits perfect in my pockets of my actual drone. And right now, as you can see, it's going to charge, and this is going to take a couple minutes before I'm ready to go. And it's important, it's crucial when you're outdoors and you don't have your batteries. And I carry another extra camera here that uses Type-C. So this thing has saved me in a lot of video shoots, especially an influencer like I am. I'm filming outdoors, don't have time to go home, but I'm glad I have this. And every night I fully charge it, just making sure. So right now we're at 45. We're good for another hour with all these devices. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.